Hi everyone, welcome to the introductory video of the month-long challenge of Animation. A challenge where we are learning animation from the ground up so that we can help share our world, our science, our interests, our passions, and use animation as a tool to do that and have some fun with it. So how is this going to work? Well, firstly, I'll be speaking to an animator, Andrew McSwan, about animation so that we can learn the tips, tricks that we need to do this challenge, and that we can get the inside scoop on how to do animation. So that's definitely something that you should check out first. And then every single Wednesday, I will be releasing a video with the challenge of the week. That challenge will be a challenge in a certain animation style. You can animate exactly whatever you want to do, but within that style. We'll be doing flipbooks, computer animation, stop motion animation. It'll be really fun and really varied. At the start of the week, I will tell you exactly what you will need to go on and do that animation that week, what equipment you'll need, and some videos of some great other YouTube tips and tricks from other YouTubers so that you can go and watch them and get an idea of what to do. Then I'll vlog the process of me learning to do it with you. I'll vlog exactly what I'm using, how I'm doing my own animation, and what I'm finding and what I'm learning as I'm learning these different techniques. I'll share this with you so that we can learn together, and then by the end of the next week, by the next Wednesday, I will reveal exactly what I have animated and encourage you all to do the same, whether on that Wednesday or whether you want to wait to watch that Wednesday video and then make animation. It really doesn't matter, but it'd be great if you guys could share what you're doing with me and we could get a real community spirit going, especially in these times. That Wednesday, when I release the video of the animation for the previous week, I'll upload the next challenge so that we can do it all over again, but with a different style and a bit of different content. It should be really fun and it should be very interactive. What will we be animating? Well, I'll be animating marine biology related videos. So I'll be helping to share my science, share what I know, and show you the weird world of the ocean through animation, which is pretty much what Marine Mumbles is all about, sharing the weird world of the ocean with you all. So no surprise there, that's what I'm choosing. You guys can do whatever you want. If you want to draw a dragon, a flower, a robot, a troll, animate them. Animate toys, animate whatever you want. But I would encourage you, if there is an interesting fact that you have learned, if there is something really weird that you want to learn about, if you're a scientist and you want to communicate your own science, I encourage you to do that. Combine this animation challenge with the experience to learn something new and share something that you love with the world, because animation takes time, and why not share what you are most passionate about? And I'm really excited to see what you guys all come up with. What will you need? The majority of this animation can be done with really easy, simple stuff you can find around your house, with pens, paper, and a smartphone to take pictures with. Where possible, I'll be trying to use free or very low-cost software when you compare it to, the big, giant, scary animation software that's out there. So that if we do need to bring in software or say something like a computer, we'll be trying to keep the cost down where possible. But if you've got some great fancy software, by all means go on and use that. In fact, help us all out with it and share what you're doing and share what you know too. We're all in this together, and it would be really good if we could, share our tips and tricks with each other too. But don't worry if you're thinking that animation is this big, scary, expensive thing. It's not. This is going to be really simple, really easy, and really super fun. Why is it worth doing this challenge? Well, firstly, animation is a great thing to learn when you've got time on your hands, which I don't know about you, but I have a bit more time on my hands than normal. But it's a magical tool, let's be honest. It literally brings whatever you can think of in your head to life. No matter where you are in the world, no matter what you're in, no matter where you are, you can bring the outside world right there onto paper and bring it alive. That makes it a great tool for communicating whatever you want to communicate. If you've got a message you want to share, if you've got a weird fact you want to share, animation is the thing and the way to do it. If you want a story that's inside your head to come alive on the page, then why not try animation as well? And come on, it's gonna be great fun. Pixar, we're coming for you.